beach. Guys, where are we? At the beach. Here we go. It was a long ride. We found good parking. First time I've been to the beach in a long time. We're not really beach people. You wrote your name in the sand already, Avery?
Want to go get some water?
Yeah, Daddy has to go with you. I'm going to get some water. It's the beach. We haven't been to the beach. Go ahead, buddy. The birds are going to fly away. He's scared of the birds. Okay, the water's not going to do anything. We're just going to touch our feet. Come on, bud. Yeah, it's only a little way. It's okay, buddy. Come on. They're not going to touch you. Look. It's okay. Look, right here. Whoa. Here, let me take a picture. Alright, stay there then. Give me the bucket. You can't get enough water to fill that up. Sand and what, Avery? Why?
The next problem. Over here.
Sit on the other side.
Here, sit down next to him. Ready?
Not on their head.
Want more?
No. Why right there, buddy? Sit on the floor and put it like that. Like put it in the dirt and then sit like this. To the boardwalk.
Any room for you to sit next to me?
I don't know. Well, maybe it'll be kiddie rides and only you guys can go on it. We'll have to see, okay? Let's see where we're parked. We're close to Homestead Avenue. Just in case we forget. Let's go on this side, Avery. Oh, you guys are so cute. Where are we? Boardwalk.
Up the way! Up the gosh! Look at the penguin.
That is a big penguin because it's a aquarium here. Come, move back. Let's get out of the way. Move back. There's an aquarium here. We were gonna come to this aquarium, but not today. We've been here to that aquarium before.
When we was a baby?
Yous were smaller. I think you were 1 and I think Phoenix was 2. Or maybe. Thank God I left your your bathing suit bottom on because you keep lifting it.
I don't want to go in the aquarium.
We're not going to the aquarium. We're gonna go see the rides in the boardwalk.
Can I go on the rides?
We gotta see what they have. She told me she wants to go on a Ferris wheel.
Bye, Avery.
She gets anxiety like me, like you're waiting around too long, it hasn't started. Yay!
Bye. Happy sale.
Maybe next time. Let's go this way and see what they have over there.
That's all the big rides.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Things going around. Super Himalaya.
Alright, you guys having fun?
And the sequel spins.
Yeah, it spins. We can spin it.
But not that much.
Yeah, Daddy didn't come in this one. He doesn't want to get dizzy.
But
Right?
not enough because our hands on it.
Are you guys having fun?
Yeah.
We went to the beach, and we did some rides, and then where we're gonna go next?
Grandma's!
Why?
Because it's her birthday.
It's her birthday, so we gotta get a cake, right?
But it's so far away.
Oh, it's okay. You fell asleep in the
How
car.
we gonna get there? It's far away.
But we're gonna drive there. Daddy's gonna drive there.
But it's 1 hour.
It's okay. It'll go fast. If you close your eyes and take a nap on the way home. Okay? And then when we go to sleep, we'll have one more sleep, and then we go where?
Get your fun. Because it's 2 days already.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you.
Chop, chop, chop.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Grandma. Happy birthday to you. Yay! We're all still here. Her wish didn't come true.